Hey, good afternoon. We're here at our campsite, just kind of hanging out. Major's with me, everybody else is inside the van. And there's a celebrity sighting today.
Yeah.
Who's this? Well, maybe you recognize from back at Honey's Park, the silver car, hi-ho. And who is it? It's Scar. Scar from Honey's Park, he's the owner. And there's the guest camp host, Shadow. And Ruby, the host, is laying in the back there. I don't know if you can see her or not. She's sleeping, taking a nap. How you doing, Scar?
How you doing? Pretty
Thanks
good.
for coming by and visiting.
Yeah.
Hanging out with us for a while. We're, oh, here comes Gibson. He's merged. So how was your trip so far?
Oh, I love that Phoenix traffic.
Oh, see, I didn't come through any big cities. Well, I came a few miles through Flagstaff, just kind of cut across the edge of it. But
I won't do it again.
No,
ever.
I can understand. So, a little bit nicer here, the weather, than Idaho right now.
Oh, God, yes. It was 75 yesterday on mine. And
yeah.
Yeah. Talking with my buddy at home, and it was 8 at his house.
So, Scar has owned Honey's for like 11 years now. And this is the first winter that you've actually got away, huh?
For the whole winter, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. That's great. And notice he's working on his guitar playing.
Yeah.
And everything else has been going pretty good so far. We're enjoying the weather. It's a little cool at times. The nights have been going down sometimes into the 30s, but it's not too bad. Beautiful mountains around us. And yeah. So, words of wisdom?
What?
Words of wisdom.
Words of wisdom?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't vote Democrat after you're dead.
Very good. All right. Hey, Shadow's very protective of Scar and of his vehicle. As soon as other dogs get around,
Be nice.
he gets a little grumpy.
He's mostly noisy, though.
He's a good protector in the alarm system. When the boys and I come out for early morning potty break, Shadow's head pops up and he keeps an eye on them. All right, well, hey, we just wanted to say hello and let everybody know that you've made it to Arizona.
Yeah.
And don't go to Honey's Park for the winter because it's closed right now.
And colder than hell.
Yeah. Well, hopefully Scar's going to hang out here with us for a bit. Maybe we'll hook up again too throughout the winter. I've been telling him about some of the places that we go. And yeah, so maybe we'll end up revisiting. All right. Well, hey, Ruby's up. Hi, Ruby. Hi, girl. Hi, Ruby. Oh. such a fierce boy.
Yeah.
Now, he's only like that when he's in his car or, you know, he thinks his dad's being intruded on.
Be nice. I'm going to rename you. Shut up.
All right. Hey, have a great day. And from Scar and I and all the pups, Shadow, Ruby, Major, Gibson, there's Berkeley back by the van, and Beethoven and Elton are inside napping.
Do a howl, Major.
Oh, yeah. Major howls, don't you? He does. He howls. It's pretty cool. No, not gonna do it. All right, buddy. Okay. Give us a little growl, Shadow. All right. Take care. Thanks, Scar.
Yeah.
Bye.